One time?
Sure, what's it about?
It's all about stamina.
Stamina?
Yeah. Okay, when you're healthy, you can stay active and strong for a long period of time.
Hey, Rita.
Stamina.
Hey, Rita.
Your heart is also a game.
Look.
Check it out.
Look,
okay?
Rita. New toy.
Alright, like putting gas in a
Look.
car, we put food in our body. The car needs gas to go, and we need food to go.
Here, Rita. Look. Look, Rita. New toy.
Hello, Hector.
Look, Rita.
So, I hear that you're going to get a
Rita. Look. Look. Come here. Look.
Yeah, it's not
Look.
that big
New
a deal,
toy.
friend.
Here. Here.
available. I
Come get the new toy. Here.
Do you have a sister in the class?
Look, Rita. Rita.
But I'm incredible.
Rita. Look.
I'm sorry,
Look.
Francine. We have a little work
Look,
to do.
Rita. Look.
Okay, fine. I will give you some pointers.
Okay, what is stamina?
Yeah. Doing something for a long period of time, like exercise, requires stamina.
Yes, that is correct, Francine. Now, can you please just let me practice?
Look, Rita. Look. Look, Rita.
What was it?
Hector, your picture seems to be flickering. Is that a sign of fatigue?
Yeah, I'm really tired, okay?
So,